Here I have Alcatel 3X 2020, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, record screen. By tapping on it, recording will start in 3 seconds, and as you can see, recording started. Let's record some footage of my screen. And if you want to stop recording, just tap on it one more time and the video will be stopped. You can find your recording in the gallery, in the screen recorder album here. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.